mention that honey nourishes your hair as well due to its wax content.